Oh, I didn't mute my mic. Hey. Hi, chat. I don't think that I have a chat. Whatever. Do you like this new starting screen animation? I don't think anyone's here to answer, but... So... If you've been following this... Oh my god, I forgot my keyframes. My hotkeys. There we go. If you've been following this channel, especially like the recent shorts and stuff, the last short, I went through the Minecraft suggestions page, which I think I have up here. Yeah, this thing. Basically, anyone can suggest anything, and there's a chance Mojang will see it. Like the super upvoted ones, Minecraft will see, and then they'll add it to the game. This happened for goats. It happened for goats. There are loads of stuff. I can't think of them. But the point is, if we search, say, jungle villages, and then into Trails and Tales. As you can see, all of these have votes. You can sort by most votes. That's not most vote. That's the pinned stuff, that's why. But yeah, you can sort by votes. They've got loads of votes. Jungle Villagers, I did that one already, actually. But yeah, if they want it in actual Minecraft, they can vote here. Mojang might see it. They might add it. They probably... I changed my hotkeys, god damn it. They probably won't see it. They probably won't add it. Like, there are so many bad ideas here. And that's why we're here. See, we can sort, if we click 2, then go up here. sort. I need to. Okay. That one is the right. Okay. Remember, insert to show everything. Okay. So up here at the top, if you change the page number to 9,000,000,000,000, then go to previous and sort by votes, you get the least voted stuff. Unfortunately, there aren't downvotes in this. Also, I need to check if my thumbnail worked. Hang on. I'm still not sure about the streaming stuff. Yep, cool, great. I'm not gonna look at my view account. I don't care. But yeah, all of these kind of suck. Probably. I haven't really looked at these ones, but I've narrowed down 5. I've narrowed down 5 of the worst ideas I could find. Now, a few days ago, you saw the short of me doing. What was that short? It was the. No, my mind's gone blank. What was the last thing I uploaded? God damn it. Shorts. That one. It was Shorts Season 2. Totem of Dying, that's the one. Where it just gave you a totem that didn't work, and someone somewhere thought that was a good idea. And I found 4 more of those. I'm probably not going to get through all of them today. I'm probably not going to get through like more than 1 today, actually. But the first one we've got is the Ravager Recipe. This guy thinks you should be able to craft Ravagers. Oh, and you need to have a cow and put 4 cobblestone in a 3x3 grid flat space. 4 cobblestone in a 3x3 flat space. 2 iron blocks in a row. I meant to make a hotkey for Microsoft Paint, god damn it. So, it's this one. And I'm gonna do it like this. I've got a drawing tablet and pen to figure out how this is actually gonna work. So, you need a 3x3 flat grid, which is that. I think it's probably better if I actually just do it like this. Nope, never mind, I'm covering it. We'll stick with this. And then put 2 iron blocks in a row. So I guess that's that. And that. And 1 cobble between the 2 iron above the 4 cobble. What? Okay, hang on. I'm just gonna swap these around. There we go. So you know it's a bad idea when you have to struggle to visualize it from the description, right? So it's a 3x3 flat space, 2 iron blocks in a row, cobble between the 2 iron. If there's a cobble between the 2 iron, it can't be in a row. So between the 2 iron, above the 4 cobblestone. Where did the 4 cobblestone come from? So... okay, let's do a 2D grid as well, then. So... it's 4 cobblestone on a... 4 cobblestone on a 3x3 grid. So is that like cobble, 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 cobble? and then 2 iron blocks next to them, which I guess would be that, and on cow on top of the center cobble. So C plus cow. Why is it a how would it be a 3x3 grid if there's only that many? What's this bit for? What's this bit for? God damn it. Okay. Need to have a cow, put 4 cobblestone in a 3x3 grid flat space. 2 iron blocks in a row, and 1 cobble. So is that 5 cobble? I don't think he thought about this very much, to be honest. Also, why do I have audio output out? Oh, I still have music playing. Oh, I forgot. Okay. 1 sec. Let me just... that one. Control C. Control V. There we go. Now you get to see... Well, nope, not that one. Sorry. It was... this one. There we go. Now you get to see the song. I'll put it like up here. Because I completely forgot there was a song playing, to be honest. I've got my headphones off. So, it's... and also get YouTube chat back up. Because for some reason the chat in... whatever. It might just be easier to sketch this out in Minecraft, actually. Which is this one. This one. Yep. It doesn't look like Minecraft at the moment because it's not opened. It's doing that. But, you know, I'm trying to be a bit more professional with the whole casting your screen thing. Because that's kind of bad if I don't do that. Like, if I don't know what would show up that would, like, that I wouldn't want showing up on a screen, on a stream. But people say it's important to do this, so it's probably important to do it. Okay. So. Okay. I don't have commands in this one, do I? No. Open to LAN, whatever. Effect. Clear. No. / weather clear. This is a command block screen and a stream, and I've already messed up that. Great. Time set day. So we wanted a 3x3 flat grid, which I'll make out of dirt because I don't think that's important. By 3 flat grid. That's a 4x4. There we go. Then they wanted. Let's get that up. Not that one. That one. So 4 cobblestone. I'm assuming they're trying to make it like a crafting table, but of course, because you can't put a cow in a crafting table, they're having it do it like this. So it's got to be 4 like that if the two iron blocks are in a row. But no, because did they think at all when they made this? I'm thinking probably not, because this just doesn't make any sense. So it's 3x3 flat square. You need 2 iron blocks in a row. But then you need a cobblestone block in between it. And also the 2 iron is above the 4 cobble. And there's also a center cobble, so these have to be up here. You know, I did a video recently where I was picking out the worst AIs and making an escape room with it, and I don't think I'm gonna go ahead with that video since I sent it to a bunch of people, like 4 or 5 people. They all said they were gonna do it. Not a single one actually did it. Like, hang on. Also, in my old setup, I used to have a. I'm kind of missing it now. I used to have a hotkey which would just zoom in my camera, and I'm really missing that now. I like just quick zoom. It doesn't really make sense if I don't actually have it and can show you it, so I'm not going to. But yeah, that one. So 2 iron blocks in a row. I mean, it could be in a row that way. No, because it. How can you have something in a row with something in the middle of it? So, you need to have a cow. I haven't done that bit yet. 4 cobblestone in a 3x3 flat grid flat space. 2 iron blocks in a row. And 1 between the 2 iron. But there's also a center cobblestone. I'm thinking it might be like that. That's still not like in a row unless I do it like that. But then that's not in between. Those two very much contradict themselves. It's very illogical. Yes, thank you. Yeah, what they said. Have a cow. Maybe just looking at a Ravager would make me realize what this. Summon Ravager. Not a Ravager. That one. That one. Ravager. Blah, blah, blah. No gravity, I believe it's called. Equals 1B. Execute as RT type equals Ravager. Let's just get that Ravager. Oh yeah, I forgot I meant to. Ravager Recipe. Put a cow in the structure. Turn into Ravager. That way, anyone who actually joins the stream will know what we're doing. It's genius unless I forget to do it. Run TP at S blah blah blah. Facing entity at P. That might work. Then, oh, I didn't know AI here. Yeah, that works. Sure. So I'm thinking that bit. I don't have my zoom. I forgot to add my zoom mod. Whoops. But that bit might be what they're talking about with the iron, because I'm guessing the cobblestone's meant to be the grey. Maybe all this, and then because there's only 2 iron, that's got to be that. The horns. Let me get the thing up again. Need to. So it's just put a cow here, I think. Let's try / cow. Summon cow. I see the resemblance already. Either that, or it could be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It could mean 2 iron blocks in a row per cobblestone. Yeah, look. Between the 2 iron above the 4 cobblestone. So I'm guessing it means like that. And then 1 cobblestone between the 2 iron above. That could mean like that. I think. And then on top of the center cobble. Oh, we don't have a center cobble now, do we? God damn it. I almost had it. Maybe it could mean like that. Not sure how much sense that makes. So it's 4 cobblestone, 3 by 3 grid. 2 iron blocks on top of each cobblestone. 1 cobble between the 2 iron. That's between the 2 iron, technically. This is like the only bit that kind of makes sense. The only way this kind of makes sense. But I think I've got it. So this is ridiculous. So once the cow here, summon cow, and then so I'll need to make a detector for every one of these. Like I need the cow to detect that there's cobblestone here, then 1 above it, 1 above it, 1 above it, 1 above it. You get the idea. And that above it, and then you need to detect that you've hit it with an iron ingot. That part's fairly easy. So I get to use this one now. This one. So what we're gonna do? We've got. Let's select. We've got the cow in the middle. No, so what we have to do is we have to execute as a cow. That's a cow. For every tick, we need to detect, is there a cobblestone block here? Is there a cobblestone block here? And there, and there. And then we need to detect iron block here, iron block here. You get the idea. You need to detect all of those. And the cobblestone in the middle. It'll make sense why I'm doing this in a second, I think. Oh. Also, my handwriting is terrible today. Wow. I mean, to be fair, I don't ever write stuff, and only if all of those, if all blocks are there, There. For God's sake. I haven't like used my handwriting in ages. And also my wrist's technically like broken or something. So if all blocks exist, then it has to detect if I hit it with iron ingot. There we go. So those blocks will be in tilde1, tilde -1, and like, hang on. So the cow's here. Moo. It has to detect all those things are here, which is diagonal, right? Those are diagonal. So what we need to do is tilde1, tilde -1, because tilde is a relative coordinate. So it means if it's checking if there's a block backwards for the tilde -1. I'm not sure why I started there. And to the left for tilde1. And if there is a block there, then it then checks tilde -1, tilde1, tilde1, tilde 1, tilde -1, tilde -1 to check all the others. And when it does that, it then goes up a level, because there's also another tilde in the middle I just forgot to mention. I am great at this. And checks the iron block. It checks the cobble, then the iron, then the other iron, and then finally the one at the top would just be a tilde, tilde 1, tilde. It would be tilde 3 because it's three blocks high. Remember? Yeah. Okay. I hope that makes sense. I don't think it does. We're gonna open Visual Studio Code now. Oh, I put way too much text here. Let's just shrink you a bit. I am considering this more of a test stream, I think, an actual stream, because eventually I want to do like huge projects live, like just recreating whole games and stuff. Like I was thinking Clash Royale, because that was where I started off YouTube, and Mario Party, Mario Kart, stuff like that. Like eventually that's the plan, but for now I'm just trying to figure out how to stream. Like for some reason my YouTube chat pop-up thing isn't really working. OBS. Where am I looking? I haven't made it yet. Also, you can't see any of this. I deliberately added that thing, that command block thing, so you can't see all my projects. I just need a thing. What did I recently do? Totem of Dying. That makes sense to do that one. Control C, Control V. Rename to Ravager Recipe. Don't worry, you're going to be able to see what I'm doing in a second. There we go. Delete that. That's a horrible drawing. Wow. Okay. Like, I'm tempted to put it over here. I'm tempted to keep it there. I'm not sure where it's best to go. But that's... Well, the idea was that would explain what I was doing. That doesn't really do that. That's like completely illegible. But, wait, how did I end up back here? I wanted Ravager Recipe. Tick. Okay. So we're gonna execute as the cow. At itself, so it gets its location. If block 1 is cobblestone, and then copy and paste that a couple times. That many times. Then -1, -1, -1. There we go. Then copy and paste that. Oh, where did it start? There. Then just check the block above it. Make sure it's iron block. Iron block. Iron block. I'm not sure how much you can actually see at this. This stream setup was kind of a bit of a risk, because it runs the risk of everything I'm doing being completely illegible, and that's probably what's happening at the moment. You can read it. You can read it. It's readable. 1. Then copy paste that. Paste and change all the 1s to a 2. Where did it start? There it starts. So 2, 2, 2. In theory, this could be this whole thing could in theory be one command, I think. It depends how hard it's going to be to detect if I've hit someone holding a iron ingot. Holding an iron ingot, because that should be more than one command. But this whole thing should just be like, if it's in that location, change the scoreboard to say 1, and then if I hit it with an iron ingot, then it turns into a Ravager. If block, that should just be 3, so the block directly above it is cobblestone. Run. At the moment, I'll just have it say yippee, because that's what I wrote on the image. And then I removed it from the image, yeah. We'll get there eventually. So let's load that data pack in. It's Ravager Recipe, that's what I call it. Okay, you've kind of moved. / data pack list. Ravager Recipe does exist. Okay. Oh, that's not 3 blocks higher, is it? That's 2 blocks higher. If I do that now, chuck you in. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna recheck the instructions, see if it's actually meant to be 3 or if it's meant to be 2. It's 1 cobble between the 2 iron. Above the 4 cobble. Yeah. So it's meant to be 2 blocks higher rather than 3. Cool. So now, yippee, great. Now, I'm kind of scared that the iron ingot's going to be really complicated. That one. So I think in load, I'm gonna make a scoreboard. Scoreboard objectives, add. What do I call it? In structure. Dummy. Then execute, and then run scoreboard players set at S. Actually no, this is going to be a pain to undo if it walks out of the instruction again. So I'm not going to do that. Instead, I think instead I'm gonna I'll just set that back to yippee at the moment. Execute as an E. It just dawned on me this thing might be private. I don't think it's private because I don't think I can get a chat when it's private. But the last time I tried to stream, I accidentally said it's private. No, it's public. Okay. Yep. Okay. So what? I'm gonna redo this on Paint to figure out what I actually need to do, because I'm not sure this time. So we've got a cow. That's this guy. Let's give him a tail, sure. And I'm not on the right scene, it's that one. So you can actually see the full drawing. And then we've got me. I have to hit it with a iron ingot. Kapow. And then it turns into a Ravager, which kind of already looks like that. So how we do this is you can execute as the cow and then write on attacker, which will set it to the last person who hit me. I'm hoping after that I can I can then check if I have an iron ingot. And then I can... This part's going to be a bit awkward, but I can do it as... because after on attacker, it means everything is executing as me. But the reason the on attacker's on there is because otherwise you can just hold an iron ingot and it'll turn into a Ravager. You need to hit it with an iron ingot. And if there's no attacker, and if there's no data value for on attacker, if it hasn't been hit yet, it's not gonna run the command. That's why that bit's there. I'm hoping afterwards I can go into the data and remove on attacker, because otherwise you could walk up to it, hit it once, and then hold an iron ingot, and it would still turn into a Ravager. Not sure what I was trying to act out there, but... And then, because we're now executing as this guy, I then need to go back round and as nearest cow, spawn a Ravager. Yeah, that's legible. It's definitely going to be legible when it's like this. And then maybe I tag the Ravager as something, and then as that Ravager, kill the cow. Because the cow still needs to disappear. Because you can't just transform one mob into another, unfortunately. And even then, killing cows will leave meat, so you have to teleport it like miles under the void, all the way down here. But hopefully that should do it. Where's my... there it is. So it's on attacker. I keep adding commas. I don't know why I'm doing that. You don't use commas. If entity at S. I'm pretty sure on attacker is the only way to detect how it... that's how you attack them, because it's really annoying otherwise. Brackets selected item, I believe it is for players. For mobs it's held like hand items. Equals, I think ID? No, it's NBT equals brackets. I'm hoping it's ID equals Minecraft iron ingot. As loop back down to the cow. Type equals cow. At itself. Run summon Ravager. For now, I think I'm just gonna say because in theory this could all be one command. Yeah, I could just chuckle that on instead of say yippee, and it would all work. That one. Okay, first off, why aren't you saying yippee? Come on, beep, yippee. There we go. Iron ingot. Punch. Yes! I wasn't even convinced I'd even updated the function. I did not expect that to work first try. Okay. So now I need to figure out... Wait. Why did you stop? Oh, does that only do on attacker? That's actually really helpful. Because I think only when it would normally run, like, how do I show this? Like, look, I hit a wolf. Wolf was a horrible example. I hit a chicken, and it will try to run away. I think once it stops running away, I think it forgets who the attacker is. I didn't know this was a thing. But I don't see anything that could be attacker. If I attack it, I don't actually know if it stores any of this in data anyway. Yeah, I don't. Either way though, the fact that it's not doing that is amazing. Because that literally just means I can delete that, and have it all as one super long command. And just run summon Ravager. Honestly, I'm not sure I've ever been able to condense a data pack into one command before. I know I've done like 3 commands before, but never one. Oh. Well, that didn't work. Summon cow. Oh, come on, come out. Summon cow. You're not yipping. Oh, because I deleted that code. Yeah. There we go. Only wanted one of them. I'm not showing my screen. Damn it. I knew that would happen. But all you need to know is it worked. Slash kill ati type equals Ravager. All you need to know is it worked, but it spawned a million of them. Like 6 or so. Which is basically a million. So I think what I'm going to do is, as the Ravager, I'm going to tag it. Which just means, for God's sake. I'm going to tag it. Which just means I can identify that one against like other Ravagers. And I'm going to call it summoned Ravager. And then as that summoned Ravager, I didn't manage to get it all in one command. Summoned Ravager, add a test. Run TP ati type equals cow. Limit equals 1. sort equals nearest, so that's just the cow that just summoned it. A million blocks into the void. And then execute as ati tag equals summoned Ravager. Just remove the tag, because otherwise it's just going to keep taking cows into the void. S run tag s remove summoned Ravager. And that should be all the code I need for this one. So in theory, let's go down and collect this stuff. I can summon the cow, hit it with an iron ingot, and it should only spawn one. Yes. Do I also want an explosion so this doesn't happen? I thought it would, Ravagers just broke blocks, but I guess they don't. I think what I'm going to do is also run a fill command. Just as a 1, 1 to -1, 3, -1. Just to get rid of all the extra stuff. Because at the moment it's kind of a pathetic Ravager. See, it's dead already. Summon cow. Give it an iron ingot. I broke it. Great. How did I break it? I didn't finish the command. Yep, that makes sense. And I also forgot to switch my screen. This is why I just normally cast my screen. God damn it. Okay. It's fine. All you need to know is it didn't work. And that also didn't work. Why is it still not working? Slash reload. Check the functions there. There we go. Now it should work. Now it should work if the cow's in the right place. There we go. That actually scared me. God damn it. I don't even have audio on in my ears. I don't even know what Ravager sounds like actually. I've never really messed with them. But yeah, now that was surprisingly easy actually. Just gonna quickly change some of the file names so it's not called Totem of Dying, because every time I do this I just copy and paste an old project. That should be Ravager Recipe. Load, change that to Ravager Recipe. I didn't put any special characters in. Just copy, paste, make sure it still works. Oh, I need to rebuild the whole thing now. It's cobblestone, iron block. I'll probably make this data pack public on Planet Minecraft when I'm actually done with it. Like when I've made the full video about these. So just summon cow. For God's sake. Summon cow. Give iron ingot. make sure it all still works. Yep. Ow. Great. I wasn't expecting to get one done. I wasn't expecting to get one done this quickly. I was planning on doing one per stream. But because that was so quick, that was only an hour. What's going on here? Let's check Twitter. Thank you, Madian. But because that was so quick, I have time for another one. So let's get the Discord up, because I've got all of the cool stuff here. That was Totem of Undying. Duplicator Tree. Why are you so vague in a certain biome? God damn it. Okay. Can only dupe blocks and torches. Place 1 diamond. This is so broken. Has there ever been a game where duping was like an actual feature that worked and didn't like break the whole thing? I don't even know if there was a... Yeah. Like... Why 17 as well? That's such a weird number. Like, I covered this in short before, but you will never need 17 diamond blocks. Okay. So it only works with blocks and... A torch is a block. Why would you specify that? So I'm guessing it means you can't just put diamonds down. Okay, hang on. Okay. So what I'm getting from this is... This is going to be a lot more complicated than the last one. I'm going to say that much. But it's an elusive biome. I'm going to say it's mushroom fields. And you get the cool tree. If you go up to it, and since it's a block, I'm gonna say you place the block, like, right next to it. And then, I'm so tempted to balance this in a way that it's not just you get a million blocks. Like, I'm thinking you wait like a minute, and then another one grows. Like, it's still completely broken, especially if then you wait another minute and it keeps going, which it does because you get 17 back. Okay, so I'm thinking the tree would look something like this. And the block goes here. The tree keeps going out like that and like that, whatever. But the block you want to duplicate goes here. And then it just keeps going up slightly. So 1, 2, 3, and it can only go up as high as the tree, I guess. If there's leaves like over here, it stops there. Like, I do know how to do this. It's just a clone command. Yeah, okay. So... I don't want to do this because it's so broken. What I kind of want to do is make it so once it's full, it can't do any more. Like once it's duped one, you can't then take it out, dupe another thing. But the first thing we need to do is add the tree to like naturally spawn. And I hate working with structures, I'll say that much, because it's going to be added as a structure. That's the only reasonable way to do it, I think. That one, yep. And so the first job's just to build the structure, I guess. I'll cover the rest afterwards. I'm gonna make a new world because I messed that one up in so many levels. Commands on, super flat, structures off, and game rules, mobs off. There we go. Well, some cool blocks. It has to be wood. It'd be kind of stupid if it wasn't wood. Let's think about this, because I'm gonna have it in a mushroom biome. I'm thinking cherry wood might look cool in a mushroom biome. Either that or like acacia wood. Acacia wood could work. Because I can't like add my own blocks. Also, big disclaimer, I'm not a builder. What did I make the image look like? Let's actually just chuck that up. Mining, boot, chuck that down here. Okay. I want to make it obvious that you place it there though, because otherwise no one's ever going to find it. Problem is, I can't remember where I said you place it. I guess it's there, right? So I'm going to build off completely from there. Let's get YouTube shout out. There we go. There needs to be like a special block here to show, hey, put it here. Flying obsidian, I reckon. Not sure why I went for flying obsidian, but it'll do. I don't really want it that big. I'm also thinking maybe cherry wood would be, cherry leaves would be cool. Oh, also I need to change that. Rare tree in mushroom land dupes blocks. Okay. Still not sure I want it this big, but whatever. Boop, 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 boop. Let's just make a ring around it. And that's like the main radius or whatever. I don't remember how maths works. And then just... There we go. Now just build in from this bit. That probably looks terrible. Again, I think I've made it way too big. I can make it hollow though. I'm not going to make it hollow, but I mean, I can keep it hollow because I made a data pack ages ago that like fills in gaps. And that's like the one data pack I ever actually use. I am going to need to update it a bit, I think, because I don't think it would work in this version, but that's fine. I'm also really hoping this actually looks good when I add leaves, because it doesn't look good at the moment. It's fine, I'll just do that. I should have made a ring around the base rather than at the top. That would make more sense. There we go. I really don't like building. Mostly because I'm just not good at it, but also it's just kind of boring. There we go. Boom. And then outies found here. To be fair, I think when I do build stuff and I don't know what to build, it's normally a tree. So we've got that going for me. That was the case when I was drawing as well. Like for the longest time, my starting stream screen was just a tree. Like, look at any stream but this and it's a tree, basically. Also, I need to watch out to not make it too big. I don't think it's going to be, but I do need to fit this all in a structure block somehow. I don't think that's going to be a problem though. Structure blocks can fit like a chunk in or so. Not sure exactly how much. I tend to avoid making structures if I can help it. Let's actually just try it here. Ooh. Structure name, Dupe Tree. Let's just make it like 50-50 at the moment, just to see if it fits. Yeah, definitely. Let's make that like 20-20 or something. How many blocks is it letting us dupe anyway? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's fair. It did say 17 on the thing, but I don't want to do 17, so I'm not going to do 17. I will say you could probably just break the blocks and get 17. I'm not going to stop you from doing that, because the idea is when it hits a block, it stops. So you could literally just like break that block, and it'll go like infinitely. And then I think I'll go back one. Oh, my headphones on actually. I have not been listening to this music whatsoever. Oh, it's on a sad one. Yeah, I'm remembering why I don't listen to music while I'm doing this now. Because I don't commentate. I just listen to music. I remember when I did a stream like this ages ago, I just went completely silent for an entire Minecraft track and I ended up getting copyrighted for not being like transformative enough, I guess. That was a hard one though, that was when I was coding crabs in. Yeah. I might actually be shouting now because because I've got headphones in. They're really good at noise cancelling. I don't know how to do a top of tree. Does it actually go like down from here? I guess it would kind of. And then back up again. Yep, take my headphones off. Never mind. Because I was doing it again. That one. Like, typically you can't get copyrighted just for listening to Minecraft music, I think. Because it'd be kind of stupid to copyright game music. Like, that's why most game music is fine to use in videos and stuff, because if you copyright the game music, no one's gonna play your game on YouTube, and that's how most people find games. What is that? There's a little white thing. Oh, hello! I've got a chatter. Hi. Camel. At the moment, what we're doing is I found a bunch of terrible ideas from the Minecraft official suggestions form. Like, if you suggest something there's a chance it might get in. These ones definitely won't get in. At the moment, I'm doing a Duplicator Tree. And yeah, that'll be completely broken if Minecraft ever adds it. They would ruin the whole game, the whole economy. So I'm adding it in. I'm basically just started it. I've already coded a little recipe to make a Ravager. That was another idea. But as you can probably tell, I'm not really a builder. So, I'm hoping this will look good when I add leaves, because at the moment it doesn't. Also, that's not even centered. God damn it. Oh. I mean, you know what? It's Minecraft. Nothing's ever nothing's ever centered in like actual Minecraft, so it's fine. Like base game Minecraft, terrible centering. So I think that's kind of reasonable. Okay, cherry leaves. I can make the border a bit bigger if I want to. I'm hoping cherry leaves actually look good on this. I think if I make them dangle down like that, it will look quite cool. Let's time set day to actually see what it looks like. Oh, not great. Okay. No, I like the leaves. I just don't like the acacia tree, the acacia wood. I think it's kind of hard to make cherry leaves look bad though, right? And off these ones as well. I'm not sure if I do stuff off the... Well, I can't leave it bold, but I'm not really sure how I want to do the middle bit. I could just leave it bold, but I don't think that would look that great. Maybe like add a big sticky bit up through the middle and put leaves on that bit. Because you'd think a Duplicator Tree would have loads of leaves, because it's duplicating stuff. Are there any holes in the middle? Yeah. Is that it? Oh, that might be... That might be it. Because I think once I'm done with the outside, I'm gonna go get my fill tool data pack, which just fills everything on the inside of a structure, and fill up everything on the inside of the structure. Okay. Make that one across. There we go. Because I don't want to get the structure block in the thing. Boom. 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 Alright. That's still very bold. I don't like how bold it is. Let's like have Maybe just some leaves coming down like here. Does that look good? Meh. Not sure. Do I have any other cherry things? Like pink petals I know exist, but I don't think I can really place them on here. Definitely not on the side of walls, but I can't even place them on there, no. Maybe I just give it a bit of hair. Like that. I'll go double check how that actually looks before continuing, but yeah, that's not too bad. Just make sure to dangle it down a bit. Probably keep it attached to the thing there. Okay, that one. That look better? Maybe if I have that there. Not really. Just get rid of all of that. Just stick to the middle stuff. Maybe too high at the top. I don't get how people just play survival Minecraft and do builds and stuff. Like for fun. I guess it's just for fun, but it's not like why I'm doing it. Like I'm doing it so I can code it in afterwards, not because I want to build a ugly looking tree. It's kind of alright, I guess. Okay, almost done. Alright, I just realized like how harsh I was being when I was promoting this. I think what I said on the tweet was like, hey, go check out my cool intro screen because it's the best content you're gonna get from this stream or something. So no one clicked on it. I mean, to be fair, like no one clicked on the promotional stuff, but to be fair, I only have like 30 odd followers, so it's not really, I'm not sure what I expected. Also I've kind of also like completely hidden all the view statistics, so I'm not even sure if anyone's watching. My prediction is probably no one's watching, but I don't know, there was that one chatter guy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna summon a marker here. That's just like an invisible guy. You can't see it, but it's gonna be really helpful later. And I'm also gonna tag it as that's some bad cheesy way of doing that. As Dupe, I'm gonna call it. I'll explain that bit later. But for now, do you reckon that's done? Apart from the inside, which is hollow, and it shouldn't be hollow. I reckon that's done. So I'm gonna make a backup, just in case my data pack ruins the whole thing, which it has been known to do before. Fill tool. I'm gonna quickly rename this so it works in the new versions, because they renamed all of the important files for some reason. I'm not sure I have advancements here. Yeah, that's empty. Okay. That one. There we go. Now I need to add the thing to the thing, add the data pack, the fill tool to the world. Paste. There we go. Oh, I forgot I had that. Let's get rid of that image. It doesn't make much sense anymore. And I see a chat comment here. Ah, great. For some reason my chat's not updating. But now, what I should be able to do is /function fill tool, and watch this. Now the whole thing is not hollow anymore. /function stop fill. See that? That was all hollow. Ooh. So now I can include entities, so the markers here, save, and then data pack. No, it's in generated Minecraft structures. Now I need to remember how to do a structure, because I always avoid doing these because I hate doing structures. Custom structures. It should be... Oh, let's find Dupe Tree first. I haven't made it yet. Okay, let's find a Totem of Dying or something. Rename to Dupe Tree. I'm probably going to need to just copy and paste this from a bunch of old projects. And I don't have chat on my overlay in this scene. Oops. Let's go find that. That's browser and color source. And it's over... where is it? Free roam. Paste that. Put it down here. There we go. Anyway, Dupe Tree, God's sake, Dupe Tree, delete all that, delete all this. I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't entirely remember how to do structures. So I'm gonna have to... Where did I do the structure last? It was... I could take it from Jungle Temple. No, not Jungle Temple, Jungle Village. Ages ago I added jungle villages. And I remember that was the first time I ever figured out how to get a structure... a thing to load. So it's namespace junk. Okay. So I just put this NBT file into structures in... Where was I looking? It was... What did I call it? God damn it. Dupe Tree, that's the one. Dupe Tree. There you are. And it's new folder structures. It's probably called structure now, singular. Because they changed all of the important files from like structures to structure, functions to function. It's stupid. Like, especially when you consider like a folder called function by definition has more than one function in it. And I'm starting to realize why I didn't have my chat there, to be honest, because you can't really see what I'm talking about. But I think that's my face cam covering it rather than the chat, but yeah. I also just realized another mistake I made. I need to add structure voids, because otherwise, I might illustrate it a bit later, but for now I'll just add it. / function fill tool and stop fill. There we go. So now I'll explain what that did in a second. Yeah, okay. So now what we need is we've got our tree. Let's do this again. Brush. We've got our tree. Why isn't this working? Come on. We've made our tree. That's our tree. Now we need to put it into an actual world. And to do that, we need a bunch of files. Now, I'll admit, I don't entirely remember what those files are. I have very deliberately avoided doing these. But from what I remember, we need worlds gen. Just because it's just a pain to do. So we need worlds gen. I believe it's worlds gen biome. And in each biome, there's a list of every structure that can spawn in that biome. That's not right. No, for every structure, there's a list of every biome it can spawn in. I can't remember what folder that is. I believe it's structure set. There's like 3 different folders you need, and if you mess up any of them, it doesn't spawn. So I believe this is in structure set. That's what that word says, yeah. And that lists every biome that it can spawn in. For us, we just want it spawning in a mushroom field, which is what mushroom islands are called now. I'd probably be better off actually doing this. Like, the whole point of the paint stuff is to visualize it. I'm just realizing I'm just writing words. I might as well just be writing this in in Visual Studio Code. But let's save it. So then it will spawn in the mushroom fields, like with the mushrooms, that's a mushroom, and the other type of mushroom, and then we've got the big tree. Yeah. Saved it, great. But I can't quite remember what that folder is, and also what the other 2 folders that we need are. So I'm gonna have to look through jungle villages, which was the data pack I made when I added jungle villages. Because, yeah, the structures. Oh, they're on this one now. I'm gonna remove chat so you can see what I'm talking about. And as you can see, for structures, I list every structure I need. And then if we're working with more than one structure, the template pool can randomly select that type of structure. I think, even though I'm only using one structure, I think I still need this. Yeah. So I'm gonna need to make World Gen template pool. Let's rename this to Dupe Tree. Dupe Tree. And rename all this to Dupe Tree as well. Dupe Tree. Dupe Tree. And then it was Dupe Tree, new folder, World Gen. Yep, that's the one. And then new folder, structure set. And then add a file called dupetree.json. Now I'm just going to copy and paste whatever was in template pool. Actually, that's the stupid idea. I'm going to just copy and paste that bit and chuck it in Dupe Tree. Boop. And then square bracket, curly bracket. Now let's change. Did I get rid of my image? Yeah, sure. We'll go with that. It's Dupe Tree colon Dupe Tree. Yep. I think that is looking for that file there, which you can't see because I made a stupid scene for this. That there is looking for that bit there, dupetree.nbt. Now, after structure set, we're not doing structure set, are we? We're doing template pool. Whoops. Did I copy and paste from structure set or template pool? God damn it. Let's find jungle villages. Template pool, yep. I put it in the wrong folder. Template pool. We do need to worry about structure set, but we need to worry about that later. I think now is later, actually. I think we need to worry about structure set now. So go structure set. Yeah, this one. Just controls how often it spawns and where it spawns. This is a really confusing one internally. Like, I don't know what most of these numbers do. I'll actually probably show you the numbers. Like, oh, God knows what salt means. but I'm just going to copy and paste that into here. That's under structure set, new folder. New folder. Where's that? I just did it. New folder. Structure set. My face is in the way, so you can't see me typing it, but it's pretty self-explanatory what I'm doing, I think. New file. Call that Dupe Tree again, probably. See, I don't need to get confused over what goes to where if I name every file the same thing. Dupe Tree, Dupe Tree. Now, I'm not sure if that is asking for a template pool, or if it's asking for the actual structure MBT, or if it's asking for the other one, which I haven't done yet, and I can't even remember what it is. But I don't need to know that. I might need to know that, considering it's struggling to find it. But, what's the other one? It's jungle, villages, structure. Again, don't know what half these words mean. But it's world gen, new folder, structure, paste, new file, dupe tree, .json, paste. Now let's change this. So this controls what biome it's in. This is what I was talking about earlier. And I just need to make it mushroom fields and hope that's what it's actually called. Because I know they changed it ages ago. I'm used to it being called the Mushroom Islands. / locate biome mushroom. Yep, mushroom fields. Great. Okay. Just change start pool. I believe is looking for template pool. Well, why is it saying there's a problem here? Missing key fallback. I'm just going to ignore that because I've struggled so much with this that I've learnt that not even Visual Studio Code knows how these work, and it keeps giving us fake errors that just doesn't agree. Because like that's looking for something in a folder called configured structure feature, which is not a thing that exists in Minecraft or any of this. Also, I've just realized I've left my image blank up there again, which doesn't really matter, but I'll just have something up there. There we go. Because I don't just like having a white background there. I'm kind of tempted to just run it from here. I need to change that bit. It should be Dupe Tree, other than Jungle Village. Dupe Tree. And whatever problem comes from this is something I can worry about when it happens. Because in theory, this should work to spawn it. I still need to make it actually dupe the stuff. That's should be fairly simple, I think. But for now, we'll just see if this works. Dupe tree. Great. Okay. It's missing something. Do I have the logs? Ooh, what does this mean? Error in template pool. Template pool's the one that says it as an error. Yeah, okay. Maybe it does need fallback. Does it actually say? Does it actually say what the problem is? Unbound values. It's probably the fallback thing. Yep, no key fallback. It's also looking for a jungle village, which shouldn't be doing that. Yep, name jungle village. Name Dupe Tree. I don't think the name actually does anything. I remember reading about it. Like, you need to have one, but no one knows why you need to have one. Fallback. I don't know what the options are here. Can I get a multiple choice, please? Oh, what just happened? I'm hoping it's gonna give me some kind of multiple choice. I don't think it's gonna do that. God's sake. Minecraft Wiki, here we go. Minecraft Wiki is over here. I'm looking for template pool. And then fallback. I believe I can just write empty here. Might have to be Minecraft empty, but normally you can leave that out. I just don't get why the other one didn't have that, because the other one worked. The one I just copy and pasted it from. God damn it. Okay. What's the problem now? This is why I don't mess with structures. No key fallback. I just added a key called fallback. I'm just gonna copy and paste the error into Google. See if that changes anything. Where was it? Failed to pass. Wait, this is a different error. No, I think that just means it's struggling with the bit that it's struggling with. Like, normally this would be the bit where I explain what's going on, but I don't know what's going on here. I'm not even seeing the error I was looking for. It says unbound values. I don't know what any of that means. But failed to pass. There it is, yeah. Like, what do you mean failed to no key fallback? And it literally just lists the key called fallback right underneath it. Oh wait, that's under processors. Yeah, no, I see the problem. Is it under processors actually? I think this goes here. I think. No! Okay. So. Maybe. I think I tried this one already. I think this was where it was originally. Wait, actually, it might be here, Because if it's a fallback, then that means it can't find anything in this section. I think. I'm not liking how it doesn't think it's there. It's saying... I think I just copy and paste it until I put it in a place where it stops being an error. Because at the moment down here it's saying missing key fallback. And it's still saying that. So I put it there, put it there. This is how Minecraft's meant to be played. Nope, it'll be comma there. Delete there. No, don't delete there. Delete that one. I'm guessing it's not that one then. You know what? Call this cheating or whatever, but ChatGPT. Give me an example of a Minecraft template pool. I'm not gonna just send it my code because that would be cheating, but I just want to see where it puts the fallback. Fallback up there. Okay. After type and name. Well, we don't have a type. I'm not sure if type's a thing or if it's just something ChatGPT made up, which won't look good for this, but the fact it knows there's a thing. Nope. Okay. I might just send ChatGPT my code, get it to fix it. Which is honestly what I normally do. No key fallback. Let's just send it that bit instead. Boop, boop. It's missing at the root of your JSON file. That should be the... Oh, wait, is that... Yeah, that should be right now. If it's not... Okay, why is that right? Why is that more right than what I put? Because now it's not erroring. I hate ChatGPT purely because it's always right and I can never figure out why. It's probably just like a bracket or something. I don't know. Oh god damn it, it was completely right as well. Is that right one? Yeah. Slash locate structure. Oh, there's loads now. Dupe tree. It is gonna take a while, probably. Because mushroom fields by themselves are super rare. And a lot of the time it just doesn't spawn anyway. And it always really struggles with custom structures anyway. Like the whole world stopped. Like I can't turn to creative, nothing. No full damage. I don't know if I'm gonna take a bunch of damage when it all loads, or if it's just gonna lag me all the way back. Oh, Celeste Strawberry Jam really has loads of songs. Like I haven't been listening to any of the music. I've got my headphones off, but so I can talk. But I keep almost every time I've looked up at the current song text. Oh, it actually exists. Whoa, that looks. Oh, Okay, it's supposed to be kind of rare. Yeah. But that does look like really in place in this biome. Like, at least the acacia, like the colours look in place. The actual tree still looks terrible, but I'm not a builder. But I'm gonna... Yeah, and the Dupe does exist. Great. So what that Dupe's going to do, I'm going to actually make it a lot rarer first. I believe that's in structure. And... no, not size. It's probably structure set actually. Yeah. Just change that to like 40, 10. Because I copy and pasted that from Jungle Village, and the way I did the Jungle Village data pack, which isn't what you're supposed to do. That was like my first time ever making a structure data pack, and to be honest, I've never figured out what you were supposed to do. But what I did, let's bring you up. I forgot I'd do you. Whoops. So, when I made the Jungle Village data pack, if you're not sure what it is, which I'm sure you're not, why can't I draw? There we go. It was a bunch of tree houses, basically. And because I couldn't figure out how to get, like how a village works with multiple houses in one structure, I couldn't figure that out. So what I did, every single house, every single tree house in a jungle village was considered its own structure. That says structure. And then I'd manually make commands and connect each thing up with a bridge. That's probably my most complicated data pack ever. Because I didn't realize I could just have one marker, look at another marker, and then go straight forward. So I had to calculate all the Y values and make it go all the way like that. That's literally the most complicated data pack I've ever made. But what that meant was any jungle you'd ever find would guaranteed have the whole thing would have jungle villages and everything, every jungle ever. I'm not sure any of those words I said just made sense, but you wouldn't have a jungle that didn't have loads of jungle villages, and it'd be super laggy because every single tree was trying to calculate where to put a bridge. That wasn't relevant at all to what we're doing. I just thought I'd say it. Because I don't really like what we're doing. Not a huge fan of structures. What are you doing? Boop, boop. Okay. Where are we? Oh yeah, no, yeah. I just need to load another world. See it's actually working. Didn't mean to click that. It's that one. And I'm opening it up again. There we go. Boop, 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 boop. and then slash locate Dupe tree. And it's, oh wow, that was so much faster. And it should only be one. This is a huge mushroom. This is a great sample size, actually. But yeah, great. I'm gonna explore around a bit, see if there is any others. Because I don't know how rare setting that number to 40 makes it. I don't know what that number actually means. I think it was like spacing. So it might be 40 chunks, or it might be 40 blocks. Probably 40 chunks, but it could be anything. There you are. Was that the one I found originally? I think it was. So now we've so now I've got the big bit, the actual cool, important bit, which is the duping. So the way I set it up at the moment is, if you remember, we've got go away, stop it. I don't actually use paint normally. I've actually got like actual drawing software. I just thought paint was funnier. So at the moment we've got this bit here, and the big bit in the middle here, which is marked with the crying obsidian. And in front of the crying obsidian is a marker. Now, what markers are, I'm not sure how well known this is, so I'm going to explain it anyway. It's just an invisible guy. And it just works as an entity. Just doesn't do anything whatsoever, no textures, nothing. Unless I tell it to. So that marker is going to detect what block it's on. Or, no, it's going to detect that the block isn't air when you place a block there. And then it's going to move up one block. So now the marker's here. And then, it's going to be like a 60-second timer. So like, so it's going to wait 60 seconds, go up a block, and then it clones the block underneath it. Like, with the clone command. Then, say you put a diamond block there, there's a diamond block here. 60 more seconds pass, then it goes up again. That's fairly simple. For the 60-second timer, we're going to have a scoreboard. That goes up every tick. By one every tick. Each tick is a 20th of a second. So 20 per sec. And 20 times 60, as we all know, is 120. I think. Might be 1020. 1200. Like, obviously it would be kind of weird if I didn't know that. Why is my calculator on length? Like, this is such basic maths. Obviously I would, yeah 1200. That's exactly what I said. 1200. and then the scoreboard will reset. So when the scoreboard's at 1200, the marker will go up. It will clone the block beneath it, and then the marker will reset. So how do I make this more visually interesting? Because I'm just gonna add more arrows. I can make it red. So I'll say 1200 timer. That's a T, yeah. And then when it's at 1200, it goes up. Wait, no, when it's at... No, well, when the block isn't air, the timer will go up. No, I'm not going to do it like that. When the timer's at 1200, it will check that the block isn't air. If the block isn't air, it will go up one block, and then it will clone the block underneath it. And it will also check the block above it isn't air. At some point. Yeah, that makes sense, right? So putting that into practice, we're gonna add a scoreboard. Objectives, add dupe timer, dummy. Then every tick, as ati tag equals duper, which is the marker, run scoreboard players add at s, what did I call it, dupe timer 1. Execute as ati tag equals duper at s if its score, if the dupe timer is at, what was the number? It was 1200. If the block is not air, unless block is air, that makes more sense. Unless block air, then okay, I'm gonna give it a tag called duping if it meets all those conditions. And then as the tag equals duping, what's wrong here? Oh, matches. At S, it's gonna TP itself up one block. Then it's going to, oh, yeah, no, that's fine. Then it clones the block underneath it. I believe the format of this is just this. It might just be that actually. I'm not sure why you're saying tag equals duping is wrong. Yeah. Oh, that bit's wrong though. It might be tag add. Hang on. That should work now. I think that should work. It's taking a while to load, but it should work. Right, let's close VSC, reopen it. There we go. Is that right? I never use the clone command, and I think that's right. Yeah, that's right. What's the problem here, though? Is it the other way? Tag is add duping. Yep, there we go. Now I hope it's that one. This should work. Let's add the data pack. Okay, the dupe timer's not going up. Did I do something special with that? No. That should work. What? Oh, I called it Dupe timer. It's meant to be dupe timer. Although that did make me realise I never actually rounded off the code. Hang on. It's meant to be... I need to stop it constantly doing that. Or never doing it again, actually, would happen. If score at S dupe timer matches 1200 when scoreboard players reset. Because otherwise it would just keep going up and it would never hit 2000 again. Or 12,000. Reset at S dupe timer. I hope all this makes sense. And also, I want to remove the tag duping. Because otherwise it would keep duping at S. And tag at S. Remove duping. Okay, now let's put a... Oh. I'm gonna have to try it with a diamond block, don't I? Oh. The problem with markers is you can never tell actually where they are. Because it is supposed to go up at some point. And I won't be able to tell that if it doesn't work. What I might be able to do though is put a particle effect on it, but I'll only do that if I actually need to do that. I think for the first time I'm going to wait the minute out. Anytime afterwards I'm just going to manually scoreboard up it. Come on, any minute now. And... go. Yes! That worked! Great. There's still a few problems, like, it's just gonna keep going up there. Like, I wanted to stop when it hits a block above it. I didn't bother coding that bit in, that's actually incredibly simple to do. Let's just watch it keep going up. Scoreboard, players, set, ati, tag equals duper. Dupe timer, what? Bit higher than that, I think. Yep, see? Keeps going up. And it will keep going up through the block. Yeah, I don't want it to do that. So I think execute as at E, tag equals duper, at S, if the block above it. Oh, that was a mistake. Boop, boop. No, that's not how that works. It's if block unless block above it is air, run kill at S. That way it should just die. And then you can't use it again, ever. Maybe I make it set that block to obsidian instead of flying obsidian to indicate it can't be used again. That could be cool, but yeah, that'd be simple. Execute as ati tag equals. I'm actually gonna just copy and paste that above that, because if it's already dead, it can't run the command. Run fill -10. It does not need to be -10. I'm just gonna cover a wide enough downwards area, and replace every flying obsidian in that place with obsidian. That way it shows that it can't be used again, and it correlating with a natural obsidian is very unlikely. Obsidian, replace flying obsidian. I always feel like that command's backwards, but it makes sense if you use anything other than replace. Okay. So I'm gonna start a new world. This is also why I hate working with structures, because every time I need to test a new thing, I need to make a completely brand new world. Okay, / locate structure Dupe tree. Okay, so let's make sure this works. Make sure the thing hasn't already killed itself. Good. Yeah, so let's see the timer first. Timer. Give Yatsuras. Let's do emerald blocks this time. They're only slightly less useful. And then let's watch it grow. I can just be impatient and do this. Yep. Great. Now I should do that one. And then it dies, yeah, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if that's an obsidian. That's obsidian now. Great, that works. Was there anything else I wanted us to do? Or was that it? Hang on. Ravager Recipe. No, not that one. Nope, not that one. God damn it. Discord. It's that one. Yeah, that's all good. Yeah. And you were right. Very overpowered, even with one tree. Like, the idea, it's something a bit rare, which it is, I guess. The closest one was like 5,000 blocks X. Only in the X value, I wasn't even paying attention to the Z. I could actually just check here. Yeah, it's 5,000 blocks away, so that's right. Yeah, it is a horrible idea. But hey, it was surprisingly simple actually. most of the stuff I code are actually a lot more complicated than that. So, yeah, I didn't expect to get 2 done today. That was fun. But I think we're going to leave it there. I might honestly be here tomorrow. And, I don't have an outro, screen, so I'm just going to play the stream starting soon again. I'll see you later. I don't know if anyone's watching, but goodbye.